How to create a WhatsApp channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a WhatsApp channel. This is how you can share updates and connect with your followers directly through WhatsApp. Before that, if you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel for more tutorials. Thanks in advance. Let's jump right in. Firstly, open WhatsApp on your mobile device. Before that, make sure it's updated to the latest version. Then go to this plus sign button, select and tap on Create Channel. Tap on Continue on below right here. Now create your channel name, but you will be able to change your channel name at any time in the future. Now add photo to your profile. You can select any desired photo from your device. As example, I add my channel logo. Then you can choose to customize your channel now by adding a description. Your description will help followers understand what your channel is about. Once you're done, tap Create Channel and you're done. You're all set up with a channel. I hope this video helps you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video.